After WAN came out, people started trashing LTX video. But LTX is in a league of its own. It has its use cases where WAN would be unnecessary effort. WAN is great for complex videos, maintaining detail, and reducing warping. It can even introduce new images or objects into the frame. Let's check out some WAN-generated images. For simple looping music videos and animations, I still use LTX video because it is fast and efficient. With the new model 0915 and the stable LoRa called Dream LTXV, let's see how stable it is. With STG, this stable LoRa, and the updated 0.5 model LTX video is now very usable. It also removed the weird text or graphic font images with the LoRa. Now, let's take a look at this looping video I created for a music video. With Salt 26 and Pepper 2, the generated image has too much camera movement. As I mentioned in the Salt and Pepper video, Pepper controls camera movement, or the large motion within the video. Let's turn Pepper down to 1 to reduce the camera movement. Now, we get a nice still video of a burning candle. Let's check out some LTX generated videos and see how stable they are with this new workflow. If you want the updated LTX video workflow with the LoRa, let me know in the comments, and I'll upload it to Civitai.